guys, welcome back to my channel. Now, who out there has been snacking non-stop during this COVID-19 shelter-in-place order? I know I have, so I wanted to show you one of my favorite snacks, which is French fries prepared in the air fryer. They only take a spoonful of oil to prepare. You can switch them up a million different ways. They're always gonna be everybody's favorite. Now let's get started. To start these fries, you guys know the drill. Use whichever potatoes you have on hand, such as Yukon Gold, red skin, heck, even sweet potatoes. You'll want to peel off all the skin if you please and slice the potatoes into thin strips. If you guys ever come across this French fry potato cutter, I highly recommend it. It gives you perfectly cut fries, which will all cook evenly. Plus, it takes less than a minute to slice all of these guys up. For those of you new to my channel, welcome. I post every single week, so be sure to subscribe so you won't miss out on my unique recipes. I hope everybody out there is doing well and staying safe. If you're doing a large batch of potatoes, be sure to keep them in some water while you're cleaning them so they won't oxidize and turn brown. Okay, so now you're gonna get that inserter to your foodie and place that air crisp basket inside. You're gonna put in all of those potatoes and feel free to fill this whole basket up. It'll just take a bit longer if you use more potatoes, and you'll need to shake them around halfway through. Go ahead and add whichever oil you choose, melted coconut oil, avocado oil, hey, even duck fat. You're gonna shake them around a bit to coat up all of those fries and place them into the Ninja Foodie. Put them on the air crisp setting at 400 degrees for about 30 minutes. If you guys don't have a Ninja, please follow all of these steps using your oven. This video is not sponsored, by the way, but hey Ninja, if you're watching this, I'll leave my email down below. Okay, now into the fridge, let me show you guys a few variations of toppings. Some parsley for the garlic fries and some feta cheese. Have you guys ever tried this on fries? It's delish. If you want to prepare McDonald's style garlic fries, simply add a crushed garlic clove to a small bowl, add a tablespoon of olive oil, Parmesan cheese, and a bit of that fresh or dried flat leaf parsley. Give everything a good mix and set this aside to toss all of those hot fries into. Once the 30 minutes is up, these delectable French fries are ready to enjoy. Look at how crispy golden brown these are. They're best enjoyed hot, so be sure to sprinkle some salt onto them while they're still warm. And to prepare those garlic fries, simply toss all of that delicious mixture to coat all of those fries. These are always going to be everybody's favorite, but I'm going to show you a few other ways I enjoy these. I made a bigger batch. As you can see, these are a little bit lighter in color than the first batch, and they took about 10 minutes longer. These next ones, I'm topping off with some scrambled eggs and a bit of Parmesan cheese, the perfect breakfast treat. As for the other ones, some good old-fashioned ketchup with a drizzle of mayo. Very traditional, but certainly the best. For the last fries, I'm sprinkling the potatoes with some dried oregano. I'm gonna add a generous amount of some crumbled feta cheese and a dollop of some plain yogurt. These Greek feta fries are for sure my favorite out of the four. Such fresh and vibrant flavors. Which one will you choose? Leave a comment down below. I look forward to hearing your creation.